everyone. It is so hot today. Please excuse my sweaty face if I get sweaty. I'm sorry. I think you can guess what this video is going to be about. Obviously, you read the title and you probably know that I love lip gloss. So I
may have purchased some more Kylie Cosmetics lip glosses.
It's kind of inevitable. I just love them so much. I did get 3 more and I'm so excited. The prettiest box in the world. I've said that before, but oh, here they are. Oh my goodness. I got 1 regular gloss and 2 high glosses. I love the high glosses. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty and so shiny and so glossy. So this is the first one. It's called Glamour. This is the first high gloss and it's called Daddy's Girl. And the last one is the other high gloss. And this one I have... Why are my neighbors playing loud music right now? Okay, continuing. This one I have been waiting to try on for a long time. I've seen many videos where people say that this is one of their favorites, so I'm really excited for this one. It's called Oh You Fancy, and it's super glittery and sparkly from what I remember, so we'll see.
Seriously, why are they playing loud music right now?
That's really annoying. I have the sweetest view right now. Chelsea, my little kitty, is just taking a nap right down there. My baby. I of course have my handy dandy micellar water. Right now I have one of the Glossier lip glosses on, which I adore, and I will be buying so many more, I'm sure. They're just so amazing. Goodbye, Glossier. I always get some of that cotton in my mouth. I'm pretty sure this one was in a set with Glitz, another lip gloss that I tried on in one of my last videos. I think they were released together. Let's see. You're gonna see it with me. I don't really remember what this one looks like. Ooh. Oh my gosh. My heart has skipped several beats. Oh my goodness. Just look at this. So pretty. It seems a bit more on the red side on the viewfinder from what I can see. In person it's much more yellow. It's this so super pretty sparkly gold shade. Oh my gosh. I love this already.
I'm sweating.
I'm fine. I'm sorry, Chelsea.
Who's ready? I'm ready. I'm excited. Okay.
Actually, let me grab Glitz so we can compare it to Glamour. So these two are obviously BFFs. I think Glitz is more on the pink side and Glamour is more on the yellow side. Kind of orange almost. I love them so much, both of them. I'm so excited. It's like Glitz all over again. Oh my gosh, I got it. I don't know why when I smell things, I put them so close to my face that I end up getting it on me. Oh, that is such a nice smell. As usual, it's like the vanilla cupcake frosting type scent, and oh my goodness, I could smell that all day. But I won't. Let's continue. Whoa. Wow. I feel like I should zoom in closer so you can see. It's so sparkly. Wow. This is Glamour with 1 coat on. Now the texture is watery, it's very thin, and I can definitely feel the little pieces of glitter. Now second coat.
Because I need to see how sparkly this can get.
The bristles on this brush are very stiff, I guess. They don't really bend that well. So it almost felt like I was just applying the lip gloss with the plastic part. Very sparkly. It is pretty see-through, translucent, I guess. I'm sure it would look a lot better if you had a more opaque color underneath and just put this on top to make it sparkly. On its own, I mean, I don't know. I still like it. It's so pretty. I don't want to take this off. So sad. Goodbye, Glamour. So pretty. Man, this My Soda water makes my lips feel so dry. Let's try Daddy's Girl next. Let's see. Ooh, a light pink. Very sparkly light pink.
Ooh, I like this.
Kind of reminds me of bubblegum. It's a very bubblegum pink, I guess. Super pretty. From what I remember, these don't smell as good as the regular glosses, though. Let's see. You know what? It actually does smell good. And again, I touched my lip with it. I'm surprised. Most of these high glosses are kind of unscented, I think. Unless I'm confusing this with the Glossier lip glosses. It has a very faint bubblegum scent, which matches what it looks like, so it's perfect. Let's try this one on. Oh, I love these applicators. So soft. Oh my gosh. Pillow for my lips. Amazing. It's so pretty. This is Daddy's Girl with one coat. I really like it. It's a really pretty, subtle color. I like it. Very everyday. And I like those colors because I wear lip gloss every day.
I don't want to look crazy every day.
Okay. This feels amazing. It's so moisturizing. Oh my goodness. I love it. So, why do I keep zooming out? Here is Daddy's Girl with two coats.
Why is it so hot today?
Time to say goodbye to Daddy's Girl. This is the fun part. Okay. Oh no. I got cotton on my mouth. And just, yeah. The cotton loved the lip gloss so much. Did not want to say goodbye. The next and final one is Oh You Fancy. And this is the one that I'm most excited for, even though I love the gold one because I love gold and sparkles and glitter. Oh my gosh, getting distracted. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh. Let me compare it to Daddy's Girl. Wow, it's even more sparkly than Daddy's Girl. Let me see if you can see. Do you see those shimmers? Oh my goodness, that's amazing. I love it already. Let's try it on. I'm so excited. It's too bad these don't last that long. Wow, this is Oh You Fancy with one coat. Oh, I love it. Let me know which one you liked more, Daddy's Girl or this one. I really like this one. The texture compared to Glamour is definitely thicker, not watery at all, and I don't really feel the glitter. For like how it feels on your lips, I would definitely rate these higher, both of these, the high glosses. Now for the second coat. Couldn't you just do this all day? Oh my gosh, so soft. I love this so much. So this is Oh You Fancy with two coats. I love this one. Ooh, the sparkles make me so happy. Wow. Wow. 3 amazing lip glosses. I don't know how to decide. I love them all. Wow. Okay. I guess if I had to decide, it would be Oh You Fancy, and then Daddy's Girl, and then Glamour. I do love this color so much, but it's just the way it felt on my lips. The texture of it, I didn't love so much, and these two just feel amazing. So that's why. But they're all beautiful, super sparkly, super pretty, and I love all of them so much. But yes, I think I would pick this one as my favorite. Let me know which one you liked the most out of these.
Just amazing.
Yeah, almost dropped them. Thank you for watching this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. And let me know if there are any lip glosses that you would like me to try out and make a review of, because I'm always willing to get more lip gloss, as you all know. And if you have any ideas for any other types of videos that maybe don't have to do with lip gloss, I don't know if you guys might be getting bored of that. I'm definitely not. But I was kind of thinking about maybe doing some gaming videos, and not a professional or anything, but maybe I could play the episode app. I know I've seen some videos of some people playing that game, and I already play that sometimes, and I really like it, so maybe I could play with you all, and also maybe some Xbox games. I do like Xbox too. So if you have any suggestions for that, please leave them in the comments. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I really truly hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so that I know. And if you'd be interested in seeing more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll make some more soon. I hope you all have a super awesome day. Bye!